I tell you, life, does it get better than this? Whew, let me just sit down here and enjoy the money. Let's enjoy the wealth. There it is. I'm gonna sit here today. I'm gonna breathe in. I'm gonna watch the planes come in. I'm gonna take off my slippers, but I need some lotion for my feet. But that's not my problem right now. As a matter of fact, I have no problem right now. We're in Jamaica, no problem. The good thing when the beach is not open is that you get a chance to relax and meditate and take it all in. And to think that I live here, to live in Jamaica, when the skies are always blue. Oh yes, this is blue skies. Living in Jamaica, people. Such a beautiful time.